Okay, guys. So we are on trigonometry now, and these are the 7 things that you need to remember always when you're doing trigonometry. First thing, sine theta in a triangle. That is a right angle triangle, a nicely drawn right triangle with the theta here. You know that this is our opposite, the side opposite theta. That's our opposite side, and this is the adjacent side. This is the hypotenuse. Some they call this one an r, this one an x, this one a y. Okay, so some are familiar with this triangle being like this. This is our r, our x, and our y. Okay, so in any triangle with respect to theta, sine is opposite over hypotenuse, cos is adjacent over hypotenuse. That means adjacent over hypotenuse. Tan is opposite and over adjacent. Cosec is the opposite of sine, cosec. So you can see this is opposite over hypotenuse. Now this they swap. This is hypotenuse over opposite. Sec is the opposite of cos. So if this one is adjacent over hypotenuse, this one will be hypotenuse over adjacent. Cot is opposite of tan. So this is adjacent over opposite, because you can see this side, it's opposite over adjacent. Then the other thing to remember is that wherever you see tan theta, you are actually looking at a sine of theta over cos theta. So basically we can prove that, let's say you are given a triangle with theta, and then with r, that's x, and that's y. Okay, and they say to you, prove that tan of theta equals to sine of theta over cos of theta. So if we want to express sine of theta over cos of theta, which can be rewritten as sine theta divided by cos of theta, and we know that sine of theta is opposite, of which opposite in this case is y. So opposite, that's y over r, divided by adjacent, that's x over r, because this one is adjacent over hypotenuse, so that's x over r. And algebraically we know that if we turn this into a multiplication, this guy will swap, so r goes to the numerator and that one, so this cancels each other. Now the r's, now I'm left with y over x, and we know that y over x, this is opposite over adjacent, so y over x is the same as tan of theta, because tan of theta is y over x. So this thing was proved. So yeah, so those are the most important things that you need to remember, and let's see how we can apply them solving problems in the next video.